Good morning, children. As we have started this coordinate geometry yesterday, we have discussed the Cartesian plane, XY plane, horizontal line, vertical line, how this line intersect and divide the plane into four quadrants. We have also find the position of the point on the Cartesian plane. Today I will show you one table that will give you the idea about the coordinate of a point, the sign of the convection of the coordinate of a point in the quadrant. See this table. The table below shows to determine the sign of coordinate of a point in the quadrant region. Quadrant, x coordinate, nature of x coordinate, nature of y coordinate, sorry, nature of coordinate only. First of all, region, quadrant, nature of coordinate, then sign of x coordinate, sign of y coordinate, and sign of coordinate of a point. See the first one, region, that is XOY plane, that is in first quadrant. And we divide the plane into four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is XOY, X dash, Y dash. So here is XOY dash. Nature of coordinate, that X is more than 0, Y also more than 0. X will be positive, Y is also positive, and the side of the coordinate of the point is positive, comma positive. Both the coordinates are positive. The second one, it is Y for X dash OY, that means in second quadrant the X is negative, less than 0 or negative, Y is more than 0. X is negative, Y is positive. The sign of the coordinate of a point is minus, comma, plus. Then the third one is X dash O Y dash. The third quadrant, here both X is less than 0 and Y also less than 0. Both the coordinates are below less than 0. Both has negative sign. So negative sign. The fourth one is X O Y dash. That is in fourth quadrant. Here X is more than 0 and Y is less than 0. X is positive, Y is negative. So coordinate sign is of a point with sign is plus and minus. So this way we can find out the different point in different quadrant, the coordinate of a point in different quadrants with the sign convention. Okay, now we will take some examples. The example is observe. See, observe the given figure and find the following question. This is the figure for you. X, Y, X dash, Y dash. This is O origin. We divide it, both the axes with the equal units. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way I have divided both the axes in equal units. Then we have some points. So we have to find out the coordinate of the given points. The B. So observe this figure and find out the different answer of different question. According to the figure, there are 4 points lying in different quadrant and 3 points lying on axis. So the first one is coordinate of point B. And answer is point B is 2, 3. Second, the point whose coordinate are -2, -3. Identify it. That is point A. A has coordinate -2, -3. The third one, abscissa of point B. Because the point D lies on y-axis. So yesterday we saw if any point lies on the y-axis whose perpendicular distance from x-axis is 0, so its coordinate of x is 0 or abscissa is 0. Abscissa of D is 0. Then coordinate of point 4 is coordinate of point M. You see the M lies on x-axis. The perpendicular or distance of M axis, the y perpendicular distance of y is 0. So the coordinate are -5, x coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is 0. Now the point with the same abscissa. The point with same abscissa. Fifth, the point or points with same abscissa. So the point G has abscissa 2 and point B has abscissa 2. Abscissa means x coordinate. So point G and B has x as 2. Okay, so it has same abscissa for both. Now points with the same coordinate. The point with the same ordinate. The points with same ordinate. So we can see the point ordinate means the y coordinate. So we see the point which has same y coordinate or the value of y is similar. So here you can see the M, the perpendicular distance of y is 0. Here also, so both H and M has same ordinate. and that is 0. Okay, so y coordinate for this is 0. Correct. So this way we can find the different answers from the figure. Okay, we'll take more